Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Instagram reel cover not changing. The first thing that you can try and do is simply head over to profile on your device. Once you're here, simply head over to the Reels tab. Once you're inside the Reels tab, what you can do is tap on the particular reel, and then what you can do is tap on the two lines at the bottom right of your screen. From here, what you can do is change the cover of your existing reel by tapping on Edit or Manage. Tap on Edit, and then from here you'll be able to edit the cover. The other thing that you must do is fix grid cropping. If there is any grid cropping on your device, you must fix it. And the other thing that you must do is clear app cache. For that, simply head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, what you'll have to do is tap on apps. Once you're inside apps, simply tap on app management and then search for Instagram in the search bar. Tap on scroll down and then tap on storage users. Tap on clear cache and try again. If that does not work, simply head back over to settings, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it on your device and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.